Hello everyone and welcome to Microwave Me, the show where I microwave stuff so you don't have to. I'm going to be microwaving mentos in coffee. So, I already put the mentos in the coffee. So,
Interesting stuff.
stick it in here for a minute. Oh! Ho, ho.
What's happening?
It's fizzing. It's fizzing.
Really? I'm surprised.
Yep. It's too bright. Coffee got everywhere.
Really?
That's what happens to Mentos. That's what happens when you microwave Mentos and coffee.
Now we know.
So. Oh yeah, let's. I'd rather have to clean it up. Oh yeah. Yeah, you gotta take the coffee out of this plate. Whoa. Ugh. That's like a minute of cooking coffee and mentos in a microwave.